Niknik!
What?
Tayo! Hindi naman natin kailangan magsayaw, di ba?
What dance?
Di ba nga, ikaw isasama ko sa prom?
Nicolo Angelo Cortez. Seryoso ka ba talaga sa invitation mo na yan?
Ha? Oo naman. Mukha ba ako nagjo-joke?
Well, coming from you, yes. It looks like a joke. Or more likely, pang-aasar. Well, first of all, I'm a freshman. And I think it would be awkward kung umattend ako, di ba? Well, hindi naman bawal. Second of all, wait. First of all pala to. First of all, ayokong ina-ask out ako dahil lang walang kasama yung nag-i-invite.
Huh?
Ano ako? Panakit butas dahil wala kang date? No way! And if I were to ever go out with someone in a school dance, gusto ko yung he really wants me to go. Hindi para asarin ako or whatever. So yes, I think this is a joke. Go ask out someone else. Ayokong maging consolation prize lang sa'yo. What? Are you gonna say something?
Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay. Kung sa tingin mo, joke lang to. Hindi na lang kita yayain.